Tubers, jam spec coming at you. Got her zeroed out. 6S. See what we can do. Let's see what you got. All right, folks. Whoa, folks, that was intense. Alright, folks. Got a new setup with the GRPs. I put some treads on the front, folks. First pass with them. Hey, she was moving. The road's got a lot of like pollen and stuff on it today, folks. So let's see what we did. Having a lot of fun, I know that. Oh, we're moving, folks. 123. RC for life. Wow, 0.85 deep. Rustler, baby, get it in. OG Mamba, 2650 kV, 123. We'll be back. See if we can push it up. Peace.